How to fix Clapper app sound problem easy and quick. Today we will learn how to fix this problem together. Let's do it. Open the settings of your phone first. Click on apps option right now and search for Clapper and click on it. You will find this list of options. Scroll it down, click storage here. Click clear cache now and back click at force stop and click OK. Go directly to Play Store or App Store and you have to update your Clapper and you should restart your device, and that's all. Don't forget to like and also subscribe, and bye.